Hi YouTube, I've been asked for this quick video. Someone wants to do the door lights like this, but they want to do it so they only turn on when the side lights are on. So I thought I'd show you what wire it was, or how to check for it. So you take the switch out. Okay, there's 16 wires. Some of them ain't got wires in. Flip it around. Okay, and you see there's a black wire there, that's obviously your ground. So you ground it with a multimeter. Okay, it's reading nothing. Now, there's two side lights. So you've got this one here, pin 16, it's orange and green. And then there's the other one, this side, which is red and blue. Now if you probe either one of them, and turn the switch on to your side lights, you do get power. Alright, so it's all lit up, your side lights are on. You can turn it off and probe pin 16. Turn it on and you've got power. Now if you wanted to do it so you can dim the lights in the car, there's a little wire here, blue, pin 9, it's blue with a red stripe. You short that, pin that, right, turn on all your light. As you can see, it's just fell out, not a lot of room there. Okay, so you just get your power on there. Alright, the lights are dim, so getting your dim switch, brighten them up, and you've got 12 volts, well 11.9, but you turn them down so there's less voltage going to them. See? So you can tap into that and dim all your lights inside the car. Okay, and that's how easy it is to check your wires if you've got a multimeter and know how to use it. Okay, I will post the wires, the colours, the pin numbers and what they do below, so you can have a look for yourself. Okay, and I've actually made a little LED strip. Alright, and I'm actually going to check the back of these wires. So ground was pin 10. So probe, and pin 16 or 13 was for the side lights. Right, so if we ground there, there we go, or there, turn them on, turn them off, see? So they turn on with your side lights. And now try and do it to show you the actual switch on and off as well. Off, on. And if you want to do it on the dimmer switch, pin 9, turn them on. Go to your dimmer. See? Spread these across so you can actually see. With the dimmer switch. So if you want them in the door guard, you just got them. It's a matter of running the wire through here into the door card somehow. I'm tempted myself now to tap some lights, my lights in the footwell, to the dimmer, so you can dim them. So it's pin 9 if you want to put them on a dimmer. Okay, this is just to show you that it does work. And pin 16 or 13 if you want them on and off the side lights. Okay, and it will be just a matter of running the wiring through the door loom here somehow into the door card. Okay, hope that's of any of help. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share with your mates. Cheers.